Hey fitness fam, today we are taking a closer look at the Total Gym Apex G1 home exercise machine, a sleek, foldable incline trainer that promises a total body sweat session using just your body weight. Whether you are into strength, cardio, or mobility work, this compact unit boasts decades of total gym heritage in one versatile package. Key features and specifications. The Apex G1 offers over 60 exercise variations across 12 adjustable resistance levels, targeting everything from chest presses and pull-ups to leg curls and up crunches. It's built on a durable alloy steel frame rated for up to 300 pounds of tension, 136 kilograms user max, and folds down to a space-saving 50.5 x 15.5 x 8 for easy storage. When in use, it extends to 93 x 15.5 x 43.25, giving you ample room to glide smoothly on its heavy-duty rails. Price. You can grab the Total Gym Apex G1 for $319.99 with free delivery, which lands it squarely in the mid-range home gym bracket, especially considering its multi-machine functionality. Pros and cons. Pros. Incredible exercise variety, quick resistance adjustments, solid steel build, true setup and go portability. Cons. Body weight only training may plateau advanced lifters, glide board can squeak initially, optional weight bar sold separately. Customer reviews summary. With a 4.6 out of 5 stars rating from 7,962 reviews, users rave about how gentle it is on aching backs while still delivering a killer burn. Some note minor durability concerns over time and occasional movement on slick flooring, but most agree it's a game changer for home workouts. Should you buy it or not? If you are after an no-fuss, all-in-one fitness solution that packs strength, cardio, and rehab exercises into one foldable frame, the Total Gym Apex G1 is a stellar pick. Just be ready to supplement with free weights down the road if you crave heavier loading.